Hi students, let's look at this question here, which was taken from the year 2019 Paper 2 Question 7 from the H2 Math paper. Let's see how we can do this proficiently. This question is on binomial distribution, I believe. So you're given a company produces drinking mugs. It is known that on average 8% of the mugs are faulty. Each day the quality manager collects 50 of the mugs at random and checks them. The number of faulty mugs found is the random variable f. Okay, good. So it means it already defined for you. So state in context of this question, two assumptions needed to model f by a binomial distribution. So there are four criteria you need to meet, right, in order to be a good binomial distribution. So number one is it has to be a fixed rate, fixed number of trials. So in this case here, 50 of the marks is already at random. So the fixed trial is already stated, so there's not an assumption needed. Second criteria is you need there's only two outcomes, whether is A or A prime. So in this case, it's also stated that whether the mark is faulty or not. So it's already implied. So you don't really need to assume that. For the third one, which is what you need, is a constant rate throughout. So means the constant rate of for the mark to be faulty has to be 8% and is held constant throughout, right? So so the assumption number one, each mark has a constant rate of each mark has a constant rate of being faulty, okay, at 8%. That is 8%. Okay, so you have each mark has a constant rate of that is 8%. In this case, it's 8, right? So 8%. So the other one is a mark being faulty will not affect the other one. So the each mark is the event where the event of a mark being faulty is independent of other marks, any other mark being faulty. Okay, so this is the two assumptions needed.